My story is one of many, but like many first-generational students, it's built on resilience, power, and access to opportunity. I began my studies in public school education within 2 boroughs. It was then I learned the importance of raising your hands not only to answer questions, but also to pose challenging ones too. Challenge the system, to lead with heart, and to be the possible version of yourself. I've just been given more than just resources. I've been given belief, mentorship, and family. Beyond academics, I found deep purpose in leadership positions. Leadership has shown me the power of advocacy. The real change starts with listening, showing up, and using your voices. Seats to be filled with tables and chairs for students' bodies. My perspective of higher education is deeply personal. It's a space that most not only teaches, but uplifts. Not only challenge, but support. For the students like me, first-generation student of color, children of migrants, being a Muslim woman, education is not just a pathway, it's a lifeline, and it keeps its promises, but that promise must be kept. We need educators, policymakers, and an institution that do more than just celebrate diversity. They must find it, protect it, and invest in it. Let's continue to fight for an education system that works for all of us, not just for some, because every student, regardless of zip code, income, or background, deserves the chance to dream big and achieve bigger.